You may getting problem to connect your headphones with this kind of connector in your desktop PC. This will not get any problem in your mobile phone. It will get all the access of microphone and give all the outputs in a speaker. I mean to say, it will work properly in your smartphone. It will work properly in your laptop. But when you connect your this connector in your computer, it will only get the speaker outputs. Why? Because there are two different jack for that. This one is for microphone and this one is for a speaker. So this one give you only the outputs of a speaker. This one take the outputs of microphone. So you will see that when you will connect your you will connect your computer, when you will connect your headphone into your computer, you will see that you will get the microphone access in your device manager. You will see that it is now recognizing the microphone. So it is recognize the input device. That's a good thing. I tried everything, but it's not listening, I guess. I need to speak louder. Hello. Hello. So I think I need a connector for that. For that I need to buy a two male one female audio connector. You can search it on Google. Okay, so you will get results like this. So you have to buy an audio connector like this. You can search it by Google it, take a screenshot, or you can just search this one. So what will happen when you connect your headphone? How will you connect? You will connect your headphone here and these two will go there. So you will get all the access of speakers also, and your computer will get all the access of microphone.